So, for instance, let me tell you how I look at family law when I have a case and how my firm looks at family law when we have a case. It is not lost on us that when we have a case, the way we handle that case is so important and the outcome is so important because it's going to have lasting effects. It's going to have lasting effects on our clients, one, right? So it's going to have a direct effect on our client, but it's also going to have a direct effect on their children, if there are children in the picture. It's going to have a direct effect on how that person, our client, interacts with the other party or parties from here on out. It's going to have an effect on how our client interacts with third parties whom they may not even know of right now. So let me give you an example. We represent a party getting a divorce with children. Well, our responsibility is to make sure that one, when we're talking about the outcomes, that we talk with our client about the outcomes that could happen and how that could affect their children. You have some attorneys who, for whatever reason, they believe in taking everything to trial and, win at all costs. And God bless them for it. However, I believe that we have a duty. And when I say we, I mean myself, my firm, and, others who think like me have a duty to consider what happens after the trial. What happens after we step out of the picture? Typically, if you have two parents who are in a legal battle with each other, domestic relations conflict with each other, right? Even when that conflict is resolved, whether they agree to something or whether they go to trial and a judge orders it, in either way, they still must interact with each other. It's harder to interact with your co-parent when your co-parent has testified against you and told all of your dirty laundry, has done their very best to make you look like an evil monster, has made unfair allegations because they're angry and they want to win. It's real hard to co-parent with that person. It's real hard to work together with that person or to even sometimes be civil to that person because, they say words, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can never hurt me. Yes, it can. Words can kill sometimes. Words can kill the soul. Words can kill the spirit. Testimonies can kill the soul and kill the spirit, right? So it's important to keep that in mind. You have children. Do you really want to destroy your relationship with your co-parent before you ever become co-parents? And sometimes it's necessary to go to trial, don't get me wrong. But